Hey, Algebra 2, this is Mr. A, your instructor. Just a quick couple of things that you need to be sure that you're aware of. Number one, you've watched this orientation video and you know how the course works. Second thing, you need to watch this, how to scan a document to your phone and create a single PDF so that you can upload an assignment here. We're no longer doing the PowerPoints that we might mention in this. We're going to create multi-page PDFs and upload those. Okay, we won't bother with the PowerPoint or the Word document. We will just go with a multi-page PDF. So this video right down here tells you how to do that. And what I wanted to do is just show you one example of what that might look like. This is from a college algebra class of mine, but it's the same idea. This is what I mean by a multi-page PDF that has every assignment from the chapter in it. They're in order, okay? They contain a header page between them. This student was super efficient and only did a partial header page, but let's talk about that real fast. For Algebra 2, I would like your cover page between the assignments to have a notebook page 3-line high telling us what lesson it is. The first one you'll do is lesson A1. There'll be textbook sections. 3.1 and 3.2 are the textbook sections, and these are the problems listed. Use 2 lines of notebook paper to get the size right so it's easy to see as we're scrolling through and looking, and then list what the pages are, okay? Other things you need to remember. Not to click too many times. You can zoom in a little bit here. Your first step anytime you do a homework assignment is to copy the problem. Your next step is to show the work vertically. Vertically means up and down. This problem does not go and have the 7 added off on the side and then come over here and say 3x equals negative 19 equals negative 12 and then divide both sides by 3. That's working in a horizontal or a side-to-side manner. We want to see the 7 subtracted, then the 3x drops down and the 12 drops down. And the division by 3 and the division by 3, and boom, there's the final answer. We know you've checked the answer on the key because it's been highlighted. Okay? So keep in mind as a reminder, okay? As a reminder, the problems are going to come from the textbook. The answers are right here above Unit A for all of the first half of the text and all the last half of the text. And then when you get into each unit, the appropriate textbook pages are scanned here together for you to use. So you'll be in this, you'll be done with Unit A, and you'll be like, oh, I got to come back and open up the text in order to find out what those problems are and read the information they asked us to tell you. Okay? So this is going to take the place of the current video that's right there. It's got the homework labeling. Review that again. Cover page between each assignment. 3-line high what the lesson is, 2 lines high for the text section, and 1 line high on what the problems are. Just as make sure we're really tracking, it's going to be pages and pages and pages. They're all in order. B5 came after B4, which came after B3. So this is a college algebra one, so there's more to it, but same idea. I do not want to see what you see here, working sideways. This young person is going to lose some points for their working sideways rather than working vertically. All right? But other than that, it's a good example of utilizing good, clear labeling, good, clear highlighting, copying the problem, showing the work, and those kinds of things. So if you're having some issues with that, reach out early. Don't wait till the night that it's due to try and make your PDF document the first time. Make sure that if you have questions, you ask me because we'd love to help you get through this course with the grade you want, learning lots. Have a great day, Mr. A. All right.